Thinking of purchasing historical daily data? That's great. But with all the choices available today, where do you start? Institutional data services are several $1,000s per year, whereas retail services are much less. But you get what you pay for. So, what's the difference? What snags and gotchas might you face in your quest for the optimal quality data service for your team? Not all users need the same thing. Your daily data should vary according to need. To rely on a standard daily data supplier today may be suboptimal, as there can be underlying issues you may not have thought of. That needs explaining. So consider the following. From an admin perspective, you need daily data settlement prices, marked to market, and that needs to be correct. Reporting and compliance functions rely on it. As a minimum, your daily data service should provide this. But what if you wish to trade through to the end of the Globex session? The daily settlement is no good for you. You need a close that represents the last price at the Globex close, rather than several hours earlier with the settle. Who holds daily data like that, you may ask? Say if you wish to follow the pit hours, or the day session, you now have a different problem. The newer electronic all sessions data has markedly different opens and closes than it did in the past. For example, with British Pound, did you know that the Monday open is recorded from the Sunday evening at 5 p.m.? That's over 14 hours prior to the open of the day session. Do you really want to make trading decisions based on that? Even worse, if we look historically into the past, data varies considerably. Because of 24-hour trading, it's all over the place. It's a real mess. So how do you get the best of all worlds? That's simple. Use Portara's premium daily data services. Why are we different? Because we are the only data provider worldwide to provide a 5-point daily database. Now you can choose whether to have your close based on the settle price or based on the last price traded instead. Furthermore, as standard, we provide you with up to 6 independent series. Take the British Pound as an example. With Portara, you get BP Day Session, where the open, high, low, and close are based on the old Chicago pit hours, 0720 to 1400 all the way through the series. Then there's BP6 Globex, where the close is reported at the end of the extended session. We also provide BPA All Sessions, which is a mixture of the above, and has been spliced historically at the liquidity jump, so you can take advantage of huge data reaches spanning the complete pit and electronic series into the distant past. And you also get the ability to toggle between last price and settle on all commodities and variants, making 6 in total. So why don't other daily data suppliers do this? In simple terms, they can't. They can only report the 4 standard data points: open, high, low, and settle. And that's it. Nothing else. They are stuck, constrained by their inability to look at the intraday prices that happen between the daily bar. But here at Portara, we do things differently. We are traders, data scientists, and programmers, and we have solved this problem by thinking like you, as data users. You also need premium software that lets you create continuous-based data series using back adjust, ratio adjust, forward adjust, and other advanced roll techniques. Remember, Portara is there to help you run off your ASCII text and CSV data in the best possible way and with the minimum of fuss. There are no exchange fees to worry about. Portara can be automated. It has timely updates a few minutes after market close and is scalable on demand. Portara can be used with any backtester or trading platform globally. For a daily data package that's tailored to suit your needs or for more detailed information, reach out to Portara at www.portaracqg.com today.